chords and everything on the song, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notifications. And do follow me on my Instagrams. Links are all in the description. Now without further ado, let's move to the video. So first, let's talk about the chords. We are using D. So D, F sharp, A. The second chord we are using B minor, so B, D, F sharp. The third chord we are using A, so A, C sharp, A, and A, G sharp, B. Yeah, these 4 chords we are using in the song. Now let's move to the video. Alright, so in the beginning we have a little music, and that music we will play in the whole song. So it's like, it will start from A, it's like, so how are you gonna play it? A, B, C sharp, B, 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 A. Come on, E with your pinky. E, E, C sharp, so da 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 da. The second time, the same, but there's a little change, so you just B, B, A, so da 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 da. Okay, so we'll just repeat this whole tune. Now let's play the song. So the song will start from C sharp, and it's like holding me back. Come on, A. Then again, come on, C sharp. Gravity holding me back. The second line. Come on, A. And from here, I want you to hold the palm of your hand. So now come on, B again. And from here, why don't we leave it at that? So why don't we leave it at that? So that's it. Come on, C sharp again, and from here, nothing to say. Now from A, when everything gets in the way. The next line. Come on, C sharp, and from here, seems you cannot be replaced. Now come on, B again, and I'm the one who will stay. Come on, C sharp. Oh, oh, oh. So oh, oh, oh. Now the pre-chorus. Now from D, and we will play like in this world. Come on, D again. It's just us. Now go on to G sharp. You know it's not the same as it was. Then we will repeat it again. Now there is a little change. So again, come on, D, and it's like in this world. Come on, D again. It's just us. Come on, this G sharp. You know it's not the same as it was. Then come on, E again. As it was, as it was. So yeah, that's it. Now let's play the second paragraph of the song. Now the second paragraph is quite same. There's a little change. Come on, C sharp again. It's like answer the phone. Harry, you know good alone. The second line. Come on, C sharp again. From here, why are you sitting at home on the floor? Now come on, B. What kinds of pill are you on? Oh, 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 oh. In this world, the pre-chorus and the main chorus are same. So now let's play the bridge. So for that, come on, B, and it's like go home, get headlights, speed internet. I don't wanna talk about the way that it was. It's quite fast. The next line. Leave America, 2 kids, follow her. I don't wanna talk about who's doing it first. So we will repeat the chorus again, so there is no change. If you will still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Now let's play with our both hands. second paragraph is also same. Now let's play the last part. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have liked it. If you have liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any confusion, any doubt, any request, you can ask me in the comment section. Now, thank you so much. Bye.